If you've ever dealt with low water pressure, constant splashing, or a faucet that just feels outdated, you already know how much the right kitchen faucet can change your daily routine. It's one of the most used fixtures in your home, and when it works well, everything feels smoother. The problem is that not all kitchen faucets are built the same. Some focus on style but lack power. Others deliver strong performance but don't offer modern features like touch or pull-down flexibility. And depending on your kitchen layout, certain designs simply work better than others. That's why we put together this list of the 8 best kitchen faucets, each one standing out for a different need, style, and level of functionality. You'll find links to the best prices in the description below. Also, these kitchen faucets aren't ranked in any specific order, so make sure to stick around until the end so you don't miss the right one for you. Number 8 is the Peerless Single Handle. This is the most compact on our list. Right away, the compact low-arc design is what makes the Peerless Single Handle shine. If you're working with a smaller kitchen or a secondary sink, that streamlined profile keeps everything feeling open and uncluttered. And since it's built for 3-hole, 8-inch configurations, installation feels straightforward and familiar. Then you get full flexibility with the 360-degree swivel. So even though it's compact, it moves freely across the sink. That makes rinsing dishes and filling pots feel smooth and easy. The single-handle lever keeps temperature adjustments simple and intuitive. On top of that, the 1.5 GPM flow rate delivers steady performance for everyday tasks. The chrome finish keeps things bright. And with touch clean spray holes, you can wipe away buildup with just your finger. The spot shield finish helps resist water spots and fingerprints, so it stays looking polished longer. It even includes a deck plate and is backed by a lifetime limited warranty for added confidence. So if you want something compact, dependable, and easy to live with, this one fits beautifully. Number 7 is the Delta Trinsic. This is the best modern design on our list. From the start, the Trinsic's clean lines and minimalist silhouette set the tone. It has that slim, streamlined profile that instantly upgrades the look of your sink area. It feels intentional and refined. And because it supports 1-hole installation with optional adaptation for 3 holes, it fits easily into a range of kitchen setups. Then there's the touch activation. You can tap anywhere on the spout with your wrist or forearm to turn the water on and off. It's especially convenient when your hands are messy. At the same time, the TempSense LED indicator changes color to reflect water temperature, so you can see at a glance if it's running hot or cold. Inside, it's built for long-term performance. Diamond Seal technology reduces leak points and is designed to last 2 times longer than the industry standard, which means smoother operation over time. And the corrosion-resistant Brilliance finish is rigorously tested to maintain its color and resist wear. It also includes supply lines and mounting hardware, so installation feels straightforward from the start, and it's backed by a lifetime limited warranty for added peace of mind. So if you want modern design that doesn't just look sharp but performs like a premium faucet should, this one absolutely delivers. Number 6 is the Kohler Simpless. This is the most advanced touchless on our list. The first thing that stands out is the response motion sensor. Just wave your hand and the water turns on or off. It reacts quickly and consistently, which makes everyday tasks feel effortless. And since it's AC powered, you don't have to think about changing batteries. There's even an LED indicator that lets you know when the system is ready to use. Then you get impressive versatility with the 3-function pull-down spray head. You can switch between stream, sweep spray, and boost depending on the task. Boost mode delivers a 3% flow rate increase, which gives you a little extra push when you need it. On top of that, the temperature memory feature keeps your last setting in place, so you're not readjusting every time. Now, the high arch spout adds generous clearance for filling tall pots. And Promotion technology uses a lightweight braided hose and swiveling ball joint, so movement feels smooth and controlled. And Docnetic securely locks the spray head back into place after each use. And here's what Jerry says. First, this Kohler faucet looks and feels superb. I love the matte black. The weighty feel and high-quality lever and buttons tell you in an instant that this is a serious, high-quality product. The water flow is great. The boost helps a bit. but I'm most pleased that the flow is powerful and the sprayer is strong. So if you want touchless convenience backed by thoughtful engineering and strong spray performance, this one truly stands out. Number 5 is the BioBidet Flow. This is the most innovative pullout on our list. Right away, the motion sensor gives you hands-free activation with a simple wave. It responds quickly. Turning the water on and off feels natural during busy prep. And then it goes even further. The exclusive Smart Latch technology automatically starts the water when you pull the sprayer down and stops it when you dock it back in place. You don't have to think about it, it just works. On top of that, the retractable pull-down hose gives you extended reach across the entire sink. The dual-function spray head lets you switch between stream and spray instantly, which makes everything from rinsing produce to cleaning pans feel more efficient. The high arc design adds both clearance and visual presence. And since it's available in 5 finishes, it's easy to match your existing hardware. Plus, installation is refreshingly simple. There's no hard wiring required. It's battery-powered and supports single or 3-hole configurations, with the deck plate and mounting hardware included. So if you want smart automation paired with flexible pull-down control, this one truly delivers. And if you want to know the latest prices for the kitchen faucets discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're enjoying this video, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. Number 4 is the Hansgrohe Jolina. This is the best semi-pro on our list. Right away, you can see the semi-professional influence. With a tall 19.3-inch height and an 8.8-inch spout reach, it gives you serious clearance and working room at the sink. That extra space makes rinsing oversized pans, filling tall containers, and prepping large batches feel easier and more controlled. It creates a more open, capable workspace. Then there's the semi-pro spray head. It expands your range of motion and allows for more precise rinsing of fruits, vegetables, and cookware. And you can switch directly at the spout between crystal clear laminar flow and a gentle shower spray with the push of a button. The transition feels instant and smooth, which makes daily tasks feel seamless. By the way, the chrome finish keeps everything bright and polished, adding a clean, modern look to your kitchen. It's also designed to be easy to maintain, so that shine lasts with minimal upkeep. Installation is simple with single-hole mounting, and connection hoses are included, which keeps setup straightforward. So if you want commercial-inspired performance wrapped in an elegant, refined design, this one strikes that balance beautifully. Number 3 is the WE Brushed Nickel. This is the best bang for the buck on our list. First, you get a sleek high-arc tulip design that instantly refreshes your sink area. It looks clean and modern, and it blends easily with both traditional and contemporary kitchens. The brushed nickel finish adds a subtle shine without overpowering the space. And with the 360-degree swivel spout, you get full sink coverage. That makes rinsing large pots and moving between basins feel effortless. Then you've got flexibility built in with the 3-way spray setting. Stream works great for filling, spray handles rinsing dishes and produce, and pause helps prevent splashing when you're switching tasks. The 1.8 GPM flow rate keeps water pressure consistent and reliable for everyday use. Plus, installation is impressively simple. The pull-down hose and water lines come pre-installed, so you can complete the setup in less than 15 minutes. No complicated steps, everything, including the deck plate and hardware, is included. Also, the single handle makes adjusting temperature and flow smooth and precise, and the sprayer head retracts securely back into place after each use. So if you want strong performance, modern style, and easy installation all at a smart value, this one makes a lot of sense. Number 2 is the Moen Arbor. This is the runner-up on our list. The standout feature here is Power Boost technology. With one press, you get a faster clean and a faster fill. It increases spray power for tougher messes and speeds up filling large pots. That makes daily kitchen tasks feel noticeably more efficient. It's quick when you need it to be. At the same time, the reflex system keeps the pull-down spray head moving smoothly and docking securely after every use. The hose extends and retracts with control, so it feels steady and balanced in your hand. And because it's designed for 1 or 3-hole installation, you've got built-in flexibility. The escutcheon and flexible supply lines are included, which keeps setup straightforward. And the spot-resist stainless finish helps resist fingerprints and water spots, so the faucet maintains that clean brushed look even with heavy use. It also complies with the Federal Safe Drinking Water Act and NSF 61 standards. Every drop meets certified safety requirements, and it's backed by Moen's warranty, adding long-term confidence to the mix. So if you want strong spray performance, smooth pull-down control, and trusted build quality all in one, this one stands strong. Number 1 is the Delta Leland. This is the best overall on our list. Right away, the touch activation changes how you use your sink. You can tap anywhere on the spout with your wrist or forearm to start and stop the water. It's especially convenient when your hands are messy from cooking. It feels natural and responsive. And the TempSense LED indicator changes color to reflect water temperature, so you can see at a glance whether it's hot or cold. Then it raises the bar with shield spray technology. You get a powerful stream inside a protective sphere that contains splatter, reducing it by an average of 90% compared to a standard spray. That means less backsplash, less wiping down, and faster cleanup overall. At the same time, Diamond Seal technology reduces leak points and is designed to last 2 times longer than the industry standard, which adds long-term reliability. Plus, installation is flexible with 1 or 3-hole compatibility, and the deck plate is included. Everything is designed to fit together smoothly for a clean finish. And here's what Christy says: this faucet is awesome. Touch is sensitive, but not too sensitive. The different sprays are super handy. Easy install, easy to clean. Highly recommend. So if you want the most complete blend of smart control, strong spray performance, and dependable durability, this one truly earns the top spot. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect kitchen faucet. And if you found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit the subscribe button. If you found the one you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each kitchen faucet. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.